Save Google Ads leads in your Google Sheets, that too automatically. Yes, it is possible. You are spending a lot of amount on Google Ads on receiving each of the lead, but after getting captured, the leads get missed because you're not able to track them at a same place. Here I am going to show you a perfect solution. By simply connecting your Google Ads with your Google Sheets, you can build an automation. Whenever you're going to receive a new lead, whenever a new lead is going to submit their details after watching your ad, the details will be automatically stored in your Google Sheets. So in order to learn this automation for your business, stay with me till the end of the video. To create this automation, I'm not going to use any coding or programming skills. Instead of this, I'm going to build an automation by simply connecting these applications, Google Ads and Google Sheets, with the help of an automation tool, Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. In a new tab or in your browser, type pabbly.com/connect. After coming on the landing page, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are an existing user, simply click on sign in. If you are a new user, click on sign up for free to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, by signing up, you can receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. After exploring and creating multiple automations for your business just for free, if you find this automation software really helpful for your business and worth purchasing, you can use my coupon code SHRYT, which is given in the description and on the left side of the screen, to purchase any plan that you require, and you will receive exclusive discounts. Okay, I'm quickly going to log in to my account, and here we are going to go towards Pabbly Connect. After coming on Pabbly Connect, we will quickly create a workflow. So here we'll click on this create workflow button. To create a workflow, I'm going to use the quick builder. We have from scratch. We can create from scratch as well, also using AI. But while using quick builder, we can create a new workflow just with a simple line prompt. You do not have to explain anything much. You can simply provide a single line prompt and your workflow template will be created. I want to connect Google Ads with Google Sheets. So I have entered it, and with a single line, you can see that the process is started. Which Google Ads trigger should start this workflow? I want every time a new form will be submitted after watching my Google ad by a new lead form entry, then I want to start this workflow. Okay, and what you want in Google Sheets? I want to add a new row every time a new lead is received from Google Ads. So is this your workflow, Google Ads and Google Sheets? Yes. So let's approve and create it. Let's open the workflow as it is created. And now we just have to build the connection. The template for the workflow is ready. And now we'll first of all start with Google Ads. To build the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect, here we have received a webhook URL. Just copy the webhook URL, go towards your ad. Here I'm showing a dummy Google ad campaign in order to show you how to build the connection, but you can use your real ad campaign over here. I have selected the form fields, what kind of details I want, name, email and phone number. And now when we'll scroll down on the lead form, here we can see the option of lead delivery, how you want the lead delivery. I want through a webhook URL, so you'll simply paste the webhook URL like this. You will also do the same, and in the key you can paste anything you want. Let's say I'm going to provide the name of my key as test. And now when we'll click on this send test data, a test response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. You can see that the test response is received. Here we have all the dummy details for the name, email and phone number. Why? Because I was using a dummy ad campaign and I have done a test submission, so I have received the test response. But in your case, when you will be building this connection, every time a new lead will be submitting your form with their actual details, the response of that actual lead will be captured automatically inside Pabbly Connect whenever the form will be submitted. Okay, now as we have built the connection and as we have received the response, our objective is to transfer these details into our Google Sheets. So let's quickly select Google Sheets and we will start connecting it. This is my sheet and these are the details I've already added, some of the details. How to build the connection? For that, just click on connect, and for the new connection, go towards add new connection, click on sign in with Google, allow some permissions to build this connection successfully. And as we have done that, the connection is built. Quickly select your spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is leads data. As you can see, I will select it from the drop down. And as you have selected the spreadsheet, the fields are changed, and these are the same fields as we have the columns in our spreadsheet. One by one, we will enter the details over here. The sheet name is also selected. First of all, it is asking us for the name of the lead, and we have received the name of the lead already in our earlier response. Here you can see we have it. This is the name. We will simply select it and it is inserted. When we insert the data like this from the previous response, it becomes dynamic and automatically with every new response, it gets replaced. So every time now a new lead is going to submit my Google Ads lead form, automatically the name over here that I have mapped will get replaced with the new name of that new lead. In this way, I will be able to automate the process, and in the dynamic way, the details will get replaced automatically with every new response. Instead of this, if we will enter the data manually by typing or by copy and pasting over here in these fields, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, it is very important that whatever data you want to get replaced automatically, you have to map that. In a similar manner, let's map email, and we will map the phone number as well. Here we got the sample phone number. After mapping all the details, let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, the response is captured. The data is updated in this particular range. Let me take you towards Google Sheets, and here you can see that yes, the data is captured over here. This means our connection is built and the automation is successfully set up. So every time I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, the data of that lead will be captured inside Google Sheets. Okay, I have just captured simple details, name, email, and phone number. But according to your requirements, you can select the form fields as you want. Okay, so I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. From now on, you do not have to worry about your Google Ads. You can track them at the same place. You can update the status in your Google Sheets. After updating the status, you can also connect one more action over here, WhatsApp or email, and you can send personalized WhatsApp messages or emails to your leads automatically. I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Do not forget to share it with your friends. Also subscribe our channel if you're new, and if you want Pabbly Connect plan, do not forget to use my coupon code SHRYT at the time of checkout. The checkout link will be available in the description. Thank you for watching.